If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all we can go to settings. And let's go to connections. Keep in mind that in order to share the access to the internet with our mobile hotspot, we actually use mobile data. We cannot enable the mobile hotspot and use Wi-Fi at the same time, unfortunately. So first and foremost, if you have any issues with the mobile data, then of course you won't be able to share the access to the internet with mobile hotspot. And of course that also includes, for example, the airplane mode. When it's enabled, you cannot really share the access. Now, besides that, we can also go to mobile hotspot. Let's tap on the mobile hotspot over here. And what you can do is you can customize the band or make sure that it is set to 2.4 gigahertz. You might have wanted to increase it to 5 gigahertz. However, some devices might not support the Wi-Fi network when 5 gigahertz is enabled, so you might want to switch back to 2.4. You can also change the password to something easier in case you cannot connect. You can see the Wi-Fi network, the hotspot network, but you cannot connect to it. And also, when hotspot is enabled, then at the bottom of the screen, you should be able to generate a QR code, which is also a pretty good way to quickly connect with your mobile hotspot as long as the other device has the option to scan Wi-Fi QR codes. And then you can use it to, of course, connect without having to search for the network and without having to enter the password of the hotspot. And there is also the one-time password that you can try. And that's pretty much all that we have over here in mobile hotspot. And that's pretty much it. So the most important thing, I believe, is the band over here, and of course the mobile data itself. Make sure that it is enabled and that you actually have no issues with the mobile data at all, that it is actually working on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.